my application here called FlexTV. I'm pretty much show you guys how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. Home screen of the application, very easy to use, and you have quite a lot of drama series here which you can watch. As you can see here, you can scroll down for what you want. You have different sections as it relates to these series. You have the top ones, you have the hidden gems, you have a lot of them. You have Werewolf and Vampire series which you can watch as well. A lot of them, guys, I'm telling you. So at the top here, you can go in the search bar and pretty much search for what you want, and as well you're gonna see the top or the trending one in this application here. So you can see here a lot of trending one as well, which you can go ahead and watch. So that's pretty much it for that. There in the For You option, you can pretty much scroll and look for what you want, and you can also tap on the episode option here. As you can see here, if I do tap on the episode option here, I'll be able to see all the episodes on this application here. As you can see here, these are all the episodes, so you only get up to 9 episodes for 10 episodes for free, and the rest you will pretty much need a subscription or you're gonna need coins to unlock them. So if I tap on, let's say, episode 11 here, it will pretty much show me the subscription page and as well the coin page. So at the top here, it may say this episode, and it will tell you how much coins you will need to unlock this episode, and as well it will tell you the balance as it relates to how much coins you have or bonus coins you have on this application here. And as you can see here, they do offer a weekly subscription which unlock all series for this application here, a monthly subscription as well which unlock all series on this application here, and a yearly subscription as well. So all you have to do is just swipe across to see all these subscription and prices and everything. So down here they do offer you to purchase coins which you can use instead of purchasing subscription, which unlocks all episodes across the platform or across the app. So whichever one you choose. If you just want to get some coins to unlock a few episodes, or you want to get the subscription which unlocks all the episodes as it relates to this application here. So as you can see here, a lot of different payment methods which you can use as well. So that's pretty much it, and they do offer you ads. You can watch 2 ads to unlock 1 episode, and yeah, that's really pretty much it. So if you want to unlock some of these episodes, you can as well watch 2 ads or sometimes even 4 ads to unlock one of these episodes without purchasing or using coins or anything like that. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And you can also share it with your friends and family, or you can save it or add it as your favorite list. So in my list section here, this is pretty much where you will see all the favorite movies that you're following, as you can see here, and also the playlist option here you see as well. So in the rewards section here, this is where you get your free coins and your free bonus coins. As you can see here, I do be able to get free bonus coins as it relates to this by just checking on the application from day to day. So as you can see here, day 1 I do get 40 coins for free. If tomorrow again I use the application, I get 80 coins for free. So you get the understanding. So down here you have different features. If you do enable these features here, you get coins as well. Down here, if you do watch ads, you get coins as well. So a lot of ways you can get free coins, so you can unlock some of these episodes on this application here. So in the profile section here, nothing much. We'll just show you the subscription page. As you can see here, we'll just show you the subscription page. So nothing much for that. And if you can tap on become VIP to unlock their subscription and so forth, you can see here what we're getting and pretty much everything. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. If I missed anything at all, please comment below. Glad to help you out. See you in the next one.